Hey everybody and welcome back. Thank you to everybody who participated in our giveaway, and today we are going to announce the winners. As we said, it's going to be a winner based on luck and a winner based on our deliberations. So for the first winner, which is going to be based on luck, we added the YouTube link to our video in the random name picker. Usually we do this manually, we take all the names and we put it in a random name picker, but this time, because there was so many entries, we took the help of YouTube giveaway winner picking software. So let's go ahead and put the link to our video in this box. And now when we pick a random winner, it's going to select one of the comments. So here it goes, and the winner is Mahati Vaishnavi. Congratulations, Mahati, luck is on your side. Go get your dreams. And for the other winner, which is based on deliberations, we went through all of your comments, and thank you everybody for leaving such kind, warm comments. If you got a like from us, you were shortlisted, and there was a lot of deliberation, and we finally decided on Rohit Kumar. Thank you, Rohit, for participating. We hope this takes you to your dreams. And because we can never select one winner, we are also going to be picking up another winner. And the second winner is Lawology. And we've seen your support for such a long time. We hope that this makes you happy. We hope that this takes you to your dreams. Thank you for all your kind support and love for so many years. We hope you enjoyed this giveaway, and we hope that you get the same resources that our champions had for their exam and their examination preparation journey. We hope to see you soon, and we'll host much more giveaways in the future. Stay tuned.